guys, what's up? Me, I don't know why you guys can't see me. Wait, 1 second. Why is it not loading? 10 seconds in. Okay, there. Hi guys, what's up? Me, I'm Eve, and today I'm at a farm. Yeah, I'm at a farm, and I'm gonna show you guys animals and stuff. Yeah, this is the first animal I want to show you. Okay, the chickies. They're chickies. That's what was in the background the whole time. This is the dog that ate an egg from the chickens. Bad dog. He like runs away when I mention it. Oh wait, let me show you guys the eggs. These are the eggs. Trying to focus. Those are the eggs. Now let me go outside to show you guys the fun animals, like the very fun animals. Now they only have a few animals, but they're gonna get a pig soon. So that'll be a pretty fun vlog. So I'm going to show you guys the goats. Yes, my goats are probably my favorite animal in the farm. I don't know where one of them is. Okay, they both are right there. Lazy one onto this one. And that one's just a black one, so you can't really see it that much. Let me show you all the chickens. We should like do it this way. So, like, no.
Oh.
I'm making a YouTube video. So I'm going to the chickens right now. They're like the best food ever. That's probably because I never saw chickens besides this one. So here's the chickens. They just darker up here so you can see it better. Chickens better. Now there's like only forest thing here. Like only forest. You guys probably can't hear me, so put on full volume. Yo, we're getting close up on the chickens. I swear I'm not zooming in, it just walked towards me. Okay. I can see them. We don't see them. So I'm going to ask where the chickens are. Sorry guys, this is all really sticky area. We're trying to but we don't need it. Hey, where's the chicken bowl feeding thing? Where's the food for the chicken? Yeah. So we're going to go and get the chickens. Now, they also have a cat, but like the cat's just too big for Shag, so I don't even know if I'll be able to find him. They have like the best farming place ever. I love this place. Let me show you guys around actually while we're going to the cage. So this is the den right here. Guys, I'm recording a YouTube video. Can you get out for a second? Just like 2 seconds. So this is the den. Sorry, let me zoom out. The couch. There. Just a table. Just a few things. Yeah? Oh, thanks.
Yeah, you can just put it in your hands, I guess.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
So now I'm gonna go and feed the chickens, guys. The chickens are one of the best animals in the farm. I definitely like the chickens probably. Yes, maybe. With the goats, they're pretty awesome. Two chickies! There they are. So I don't know how I'm gonna like record it. Guys. So there's the chickens. They're kind of in a more sunny area now. So we just chilling. I'm gonna try to hold the camera at the same time. So I just fed the chickens. They want more now. And I think I'm gonna let the goats out, but I don't think they like having the goats out. 1 second, I had to clean my camera off. So the goats, we have chickens and we just found new eggs, but the dog literally ate them while we were outside. So I don't know if I should let the goats out. But yeah, the farm's pretty awesome. Now we like live in the forest. Like no, I don't. I live in the neighborhood. But it's pretty fun just living in the farm. I would love to live here, but I don't. But I'm gonna end this video because I don't really know what to do. But I'm gonna show you guys the deck real quick. They have a deck. The ground is awesome. Look at the ground. I won't touch the mulch. So here's the deck. Just a pretty comfy area. So that's where I'm going to do the outro. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And hope you guys enjoy looking at the animals. And bye.